Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will see what work a software tester do in a project and what his daily routine look like. My day start with the hectic traffic of Hyderabad followed by the skywalk near to Mindspace where my office is located, followed by some more walk till my office. Once I reach office, I do a swipe in and enter the gate where ambience is great and environment is too employee friendly. I start my work daily having a latte, although multiple options are provided. Then I go to my bench and open my laptop. Once I log in, I check the emails. That is the first task that I do daily. After that, I go to the Teams and check if any team chats are available for me. After around 1 hour, we have a team scrum meeting where all the team members meet, where we discuss our plan for whole day, all the updates or any blocker if present. We discuss everything with the team member and the manager. Once the meeting is over, I do my task for some time and then go for lunch. Unlike government employees, IT employees don't do their lunch at their bench or desk. IT companies provide a separate place where employees meet together and have a lunch properly. And for entertainment purpose, we have a TVs as well. Once the lunch is over, I go to the recreation area where a lot of indoor games are available and also a gym is provided for employees. If they want, they can use this and just refresh themselves. After that, I go to canteen and have a milk with some biscuits and then directly go to my workbench. As a software tester, I perform multiple tasks. One of them is creation of test cases based on the user stories in every sprint. Once I am done with that, I perform automation testing where I have to write multiple codes using Selenium with Java. I write these code based on the test cases which we created for the user story. Every sprint we pick few test cases which we created and then try to automate them. Automation reduces dependency on manual testing and helps organization to achieve better quality at faster rate. Once I am done with automation testing, I go to Jenkins and check the reports which got generated after automation build. I try to wrap up my work by 5 p.m. and then just do a swipe out and leave for my home. Once I am in home, I am already done with my work. I just attend meetings. Secret to get 250% hike and Optum office tour. Do watch these.